Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Moomoo IO. This exciting survival game challenges you to gather essential resources like wood, stone, and food. You'll need to build a strong base with structures such as walls and windmills to protect yourself and generate gold. As you progress, upgrade your character and weapons to enhance your abilities. Your ultimate goal is to defeat other players and animals, earning valuable points to climb the leaderboard and dominate the game world. Resource gathering is fundamental to your survival. Use your primary weapon, like an axe, to chop down trees for wood and mine rocks for stone. Food is crucial for regenerating your health, so keep an eye out for berries or build a farm. Building structures is equally important. Strategically place walls to defend your base from attackers. Constructing windmills will passively generate gold, providing a steady income for upgrades and further expansion. Combat is an integral part of Moomoo IO. Engage with other players and various animals to earn experience and resources. You can choose from a diverse arsenal of weapons, including powerful axes, long-range spears, and swift daggers, each with unique attack patterns. As you gain experience, upgrade your character's stats and unlock new, powerful abilities. Don't forget to strategically deploy traps and turrets around your base for an extra layer of defense against aggressive opponents. To truly dominate Moomoo IO, consider advanced strategies. Forming alliances with other players can significantly increase your chances of survival and allow for coordinated attacks. Focus on controlling resource-rich areas, such as dense forests or large rock formations, to ensure a consistent supply of materials. Mastering various weapon types and understanding their unique attack patterns will give you a significant edge in combat. Ultimately, your goal is to accumulate the most points and claim the top spot on the leaderboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.